Morning po. Very interesting po itong next item from Perfect Match. So, yan. Kita nyo naman po, no? Brittle nuts po ito. So, instead of using, para po itong brittle peanuts na nabibili po natin from Baguio, no? But instead of using peanuts, walnuts po yung ginamit. So, it says here, brittle nuts, low-carb, sweet, candied walnuts. Yan, very interesting po siya. Nutrition facts po niya, total calories 233. So medyo mataas po yan, 233.86. Ang fat, 19.95 grams, almost 20 grams. Ang net carbohydrates po niya is only 2.26 grams. So pasok po siya ulit dun sa personal preference ko na 5 and below. Total sugar, less than 1 gram. Protein, 5.06 gram. Yan. So, I don't think na meron pong ingredient to that would, hurt my blood sugar. 50 grams po yung buong laman ng pack. So, that's 1 serving. So, I'd go ahead and eat this and we'll see kung ano po yung gagawin niya sa blood sugar ko. I'll be back after 2 hours. By the way, kumuha na po ako ng blood sugar reading. It's currently at 85. Of course, that's through my Otay CGM. Conclusion na po tayo dun sa kinain kong walnut 2 hours ago. So galing po kay Perfect Match yung walnut. Peanut brittle po pala yung tawag doon. So sa sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng peanut brittle. Brittle peanut yung sinabi ko kanina during the first part of the video. So ito po, walnut brittle. Ayan. So yung blood sugar ko po I started at 85. First hour, 85. Second hour, 85 din po. So include ko po yan dito sa video, yung monitoring po ni Otay CGM. No? Flat po siya, 85. So hindi po siya gumalaw. Well, yun naman po yung ine-expect ko when I read yung ingredients at saka yung nutrition facts nung walnut brittle. So wala po talagang ingredients or anything that would trigger a blood sugar increase. So highly recommended po siya. Wala pong magiging problema. So pwede nyo po siyang kainin as dessert. Pwede nyo rin po siyang kainin if you're craving for something sweet. If you wanted to eat in between meals, yung merienda, so pwede po siya. Pwede po siya. So yun lang po for this review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye. Reminders lang po, huwag pong mag-aanli. Always eat in moderation. Di po ako doktor, so whenever in doubt, konsulta po kayo sa doktor ninyo. And yung results po ng mga review na ginagawa ko, it may vary. So huwag niyo pong i-expect na yung resulta sa akin is magiging kapareho po ng resulta sa inyo. So yun lang po. Have a nice day.